Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Pictory AI, the easy way to create videos from text. Pictory AI is a new AI video creation platform that can take any script and turn it into a video using the power of AI. With Pictory AI, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes without any video editing experience. Pictory AI is a cloud-based platform that uses AI to create videos from text. To use Pictory AI, simply upload your text, and Pictory AI will find and add video clips, generate AI voiceover, subtitles, and text captions. You can even edit entire videos just by editing text. Here's how to use Pictory AI to create videos from text. Go to the Pictory AI website and create a free account. Then click the Create Video button and select the Script to Video or Text to Video option. Paste your text into the text box and click the Create Video button. Pictory AI will automatically create a video based on your text. You can edit the video by changing the video clips, backgrounds, text, and voice-over audio. Once you're happy with the video, click the Generate Video button to save it. The benefits of using Pictory AI are: create videos quickly and easily, create engaging and informative videos, reach a wider audience, and save the time and money. If you're looking for a way to create professional-looking videos quickly and easily, then Pictory AI is the perfect solution for you. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.